why is it most of the time when you are bathing, right? That's when you tend to think most of the things and have ideas. So I was bathing, right, and ndafunga a kind of like an idea on how I need to find the ways to make money online. Yeah, and the things which went through my mind is actually the things which I know most of the people in anyone in the world can do is creating what flyers, posters, logos, more like that. More those are the most things which I've seen most people can actually offer as a service. And now I'm thinking like, well, I know how to create a flyer using Canva, using mostly I can say using the first software which I was trying to practice with is Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Canvas. So why don't I try to target why don't I try to target to make at least $50 per month? Yeah, because you can see most people, they'll be posting like 100, 500, 1000, and for me it's huge. It's a huge milestone to aim for. 1000, imagine, dude. That will make my brain crash and shrink, like, although it's already shrinking. Yeah, so chandikufunga ndechekuti I need to try to actually do this, right, for me to be able to target to get wait a minute. Oh, shit. I don't have any shit that has been washed. So at least $50 is something which I can target, or even $10 per month. Yeah, but the thing is, how can I make $10 per month online through actually offering services such as flyer design, logo design, the basic skills which I have, which I've just learned through using YouTube. So the thing is, actually I need to oh my goodness, this is why I hate making a video without planning everything. It's now things are just messed up here. Whatever. That's why I'm broke. I'm not making money. So let's say I charge a person to make a flyer. I charge $5, $5 US, right? And I think that's an amount that is affordable to someone who really needs a flyer, not someone like a beginner who is just wanting to offer sell products. Maybe someone who has products already in his or a shop, or maybe on his or a company. He or she can afford $5. So now I really need to actually try on how can I'm easily distracted, you see. How can I convince people that I can make a flyer for you for $5, and at least I have to get at least 10 people so that I can get 5 times 10 is 50, so that I can get 50. So this is my plan on how to make $50 per month. That means every single month I have to target to gain 10 people. I might not get 10 people within a month. Today is 14 October. It's 14 January 2023, and let's see how it goes in the rest of the maybe 18 days. Yeah, within the month, if I can get someone who I can make a flyer for. So yes, I'm going to start by $5 per pay flyer design, and logo I'll put it at $10, so that at least, yeah, let me start with flyer design so that it won't stress me out, so that I try as much as I can to learn about flyer design and what is necessary in designing a flyer. Well, this is the journey, and let's see how it work out. Like, cheers, bye for now. Yeah, I don't know how it works, but this is my plan on how to make $50 per month, or £50 per month. So this is the other thing which I need to say, right? So I'm going to be using WhatsApp, Facebook. Yeah, those are the platforms where I'm going to be posting about my flyer design. And now I really need to go back on Instagram so that I can post while I'm doing the things. So, and oh shit, man, I need to also go back to TikTok so that I post all these things to the common platforms. And guess what? I'm just an average person who does not even have a huge following on Facebook, because I created a new page, and I'll be just inviting my friends. So now I have to actually activate my Facebook page where I need to be posting about it, so that I can invite friends to like my page, so that at least it looks like, so anyone can do this, can have friends, make friends with people who at your high school or in the previous grades, and they'll be seeing your post and you'll be inviting, like, hi, I'm inviting you. Maybe I send a picture while I'm doing something outside, then people will like it. Then later on, after that picture, I'm going to send an invitation to my Facebook page, and let's see how it goes. This is my plan on how to make $50 per month, and I would love that sometime in the future, I would be able to actually make 1,000. Mind my truths, my mazina wangu anauche mkana wangu to make $1,000 online per month. But for now, the target is making $50 per month. So let's see how it goes.